Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to edit the name or description of a playlist that you have created, right? So in order to do that guys, you want to click on your library on the bottom there, and then you want to find the playlist in the list there. So in this tutorial I'm going to use the test playlist for example. So I'm going to tap on that playlist, and then you have a few options there guys. You have the three dots there that you can click on, and it will give you all the options there for the playlist. Now you want to click on edit playlist now, and then you can change the name of the playlist. So I can write it tester, and I can write the description as well. So very easy and very simple. So now once you're satisfied, then all you have to do is just click the save on the uppermost right hand side, and that's all there is to it guys. Your playlist is now updated with the description, and also the title is now updated. Very easy and very simple.